No problem. So give yourselves a hand if you're not a venture capitalist. Thank you very much. I wore the jacket. For those of you who did not clap your hands, I am professional. So I want to talk about my first year as a Web 2.0 startup. We wrote our business plan last year. Our business plan is actually that we turn your cell phone into your business card. So instead of handing out business cards everywhere you go, I can text or email you all my contact info from my phone to your phone. So we wrote the business plan and said, okay, is there a problem? Yes, there is. Business card sucks. What's the solution? It's your mobile phone. Can we make revenue? Where's the market? Then we built the prototype. Didn't look that different from this. We built it on BlackBerry. Very basic user interface. We said, does this thing work? Okay, BlackBerry to BlackBerry. I can send my contact data to you, back to me. Prototype looked good. We gave up our jobs, and all of a sudden we had mortgage bills to pay, and diapers. I have a kid too. And we had to go on with more development, iPhone, Windows Mobile. So if you're an entrepreneur and you have bills, you turn to one group, venture capitalists, right? So you start going to the venture capitalists, you say, check this out, I got this great business plan, and I got a prototype, and yes, in 5 years I'm going to go public, I promise you, will you guys give me money? And this is what they generally say. 2 answers, no, or that's great. You're a fraud, but we need you to be a prince. And you say, I want you to be right here. You know, I want you to give me the money. You guys kiss me and I'll turn into a prince. And they say, that's not the way it goes. We want you to get some partners and validate the concept, right? So you go out there and you try to find some partners and you partner with Google. So we partnered with Google. We were on Android phone. We felt really great about that. Then we partnered with Microsoft. We're in their accelerator program, and companies like Flickr are also in that, and so that was really neat. Then we partnered with LinkedIn, so now I can send you a LinkedIn invite from my mobile device, and that's really cool. And we partnered with RIM. And then we built a better prototype. We built it on BlackBerry, built it on Android, and now this phone works, this application works from BlackBerry to Android, and the GUI started to look really cool, and it's a great application, and people are starting to use it. Now we're feeling really good, and we're also getting into a lot more debt. So debt's a problem when you're an entrepreneur. It's the first thing that can kill you. So we started, thinking again, how are we going to get rid of this debt? It's piling on. We need to do more things if we want to be big. And we told everybody we're going to go public in 5 years. We need to start hiring people and developers and doing marketing and building the website. Another Dr. Evil reference, 2 presentations, 2 Dr. Evils. So we go back to the VCs and we say, VCs, we did what you told us to do. We built a business plan. We got a prototype. It works. We got these partners like Microsoft and Google, and they validated us. And now will you give us the money? They say, no, you're not quite Prince, you're more like Gerardo. It's like Rico Suave style, right? So, and you still don't understand. You didn't say no, but you say you're still interested, and I'm not quite Prince, but I'm Gerardo, and how do I get from Gerardo to Prince? And they changed the criteria. They said, you gotta get users. So we go to angels investors and we say, look, if we can borrow some money right here, we think we got this great application that we built on BlackBerry and Android. We got these cool partners, and now we need to go get users. And so the angels say, how much do you need? And we say, a little bit of money. They say, great, here's a check. And we go out and we launch this on beta. And the thing about beta is the software is never done when it should be. So we were hoping at our launch in November that we'd have iPhone and Windows Mobile. It would be this grand event. And it actually was a nice event. We had 800 people, so we started getting users. And this is our meetup a couple weeks ago in January fall. A nice event. So now we've got some users, right? So now we're talking to the VCs, like we got this business plan. Remember, we're going to go public in 5 years, which is what you want. And we got partners, and the venture capitalists say, screw you, the market crashed, right? So you say, well, that's not really my problem. But the criteria are all of a sudden changed, according to the venture capitalists, right? So now it's no longer business plan, prototype, partners. It's business plan, prototype, partners, users, and the magic, revenue, right? So show me some money. That's basically what they tell you now. You need to have some money. And the biggest difference, in my opinion anyway, between the East Coast and West Coast is the VCs out here have no competition. And by that I mean there are no funded or angel entrepreneurs are out there just funding companies. So out in the West Coast, there's a lot of cash out entrepreneurs and they're not afraid to take risk. Here they are. So we go back to the angels and we say the VCs say the market crashed, even though I had nothing to do with that, they're not going to give me money. So how do I come back to you guys and I get more money? And they say if I bring in revenue, then they're going to fund us. They say, what do you need to get revenue? I say, I need to talk to the CRM guys. If I talk to the CRM guys, they'll pay for our applications. So they say, here's another check, go do it. But I say, great, I'm going to go talk to Salesforce, got Microsoft Dynamics, got Oracle. So I'll get to Facebook. I sort of put that up there because I thought they were a cool company. And they got 150 million users, right? So I'll take 1% of those guys. So we go for a hard launch. Now we're like, let's put it on iPhone, let's put it on Windows Mobile, let's launch it to any application. And that was supposed to be at the end of December. Well, as of yesterday, it's still not there yet. But Monday, iPhone, I'm sold. And then our next step is global domination. Thank you.